It's Home Tip Tuesday, and my tip for today is a continuation on how you can get a healthier and greener lawn for the summer months. This week's tip is about seeding bare spot. Most likely, some areas of your lawn did not make it through the winter, causing bare spots in your lawn. Prepare the site by removing any weeds or existing sticks and rocks, then rough up the soil or lay down some fresh topsoil. Gently sprinkle the seed on the bare spot until it's covered, meaning you should still see some soil. After you lay down the seed, put down some straw or a thin layer of sawdust on the area to deter the birds from eating it. Briefly water the soil 2 to 5 times per day. Repeat every other day or as often as needed to keep the soil moist, as seeds may die when dried out. This danger has passed once the seed has germinated and grass blades appear, usually about 10 to 14 days after planting. I hope you found this tip useful. Take care.